The opioid epidemic is rocking our nation, and tonight, the Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner is sounding the public safety alarm. At least a dozen people have died from drug overdoses in just 48 hours. Marissa Sines has a story.
I never, ever would have thought I would have been here like 2 years ago, talking about my son overdosing.
May 2020, Memorial Day weekend. Ricky Pratt was just 28, about to set off on a camping trip.
The next day, my husband went there just to check on him because we had not heard from him. My husband had found him.
Ricky's cause of death, drug overdose.
Murray died not even 4 years ago.
That story resonates with Linda Zeller.
It was New Year's Eve.
Zeller, a nurse herself, says she spoke to her son Murray, 25 at the time, sharing messages of a Happy New Year while at work. That would be the last time she heard his voice.
I came home from work at about 7 to find him face down on the floor, and I had to call 911. There was nothing they could do. He had been gone too long.
What you're feeling is it's called a diastolic and a systolic. It's
Parma firefighter and paramedic TJ Martin responds to calls of overdose.
in pre-pandemic into the pandemic, it's got quite a big uptick.
Across Cuyahoga County, the alarms are blaring with the public health emergency. 12 people have died of drug overdose since Saturday. The Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner saying, quote, "This recent trend of clustered overdoses is alarming. It remains to be seen what the cause is, but the public should be aware that there is a serious threat to their lives if they are using street drugs right now in Cuyahoga County." Being on the streets, paramedic like Martin believe the infiltrating drug fentanyl is playing factor.
We believe that it's because of the mix of the fentanyl. When you get even just a grain of fentanyl, it changes the whole chemical makeup of the heroin.
Murray and Ricky's moms can only speak of what could have gone differently, what could have saved their sons. That's the message they send to the public every day.
Still miss him every day. Still think about him every day.
We can't do enough. There's just no excuse for losing a whole generation of people.
Martin says he's seen kids as young as 10 overdose on drugs. He couldn't stress enough the importance of not only educating kids about drugs, but that parents also know where your kids are at all times and what they're doing. Lena.
We appreciate them sharing their stories and sharing their heartbreak for awareness.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, Marissa.